Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Do you want to autofill fields in WordPress for your users? In this video, I will show you how to set default values or autofill fields for contact form 7 in WordPress. So moving ahead with this video, let's hover on to plugins and click on add new. Now in the search box, search for contact form 7. We need to install this plugin. Once installed, simply click on activate. Now let us create a form first. I am editing this form. Let me edit the title name first. I am adding a field here. Now I will add a drop down menu to this field by clicking on this button. In this tag generator pop-up box, edit the name first. I will make this field required. I am adding some menu items here. I have added 3 menu items here. Once done, click on insert tag. Once done, let's click on save. You can see the shortcode has been generated here. Let's copy this code and insert this form into the respective page. Enter the title name of the page. Now before entering the code, make sure you are in the code editor. Simply paste the code here. Once done, click on the publish button. Now let's view the page. You can see the autofill in action. The field is already autofilled by the menu item. What if we want to set ongoing basis? Retainer is the default autofilled item. In that case, move back to WordPress. Simply modify the field like this. Once done, click on save. Let's move back to our site to check the changes. When refreshed, you can see that the ongoing basis retainer menu item has been autofilled in the field. In case if the user forgets to select any menu item other than this, then ongoing basis retainer will be taken as the default menu item. So this was how you can simply autofill fields for your visitor in WordPress. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in 2 types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.